Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can install QuickBooks Online. So the first thing that you will have to do is go to downloads.quickbooks.com, and now that you're here, you will go to downloads and update section. And what you will do is, of course, make sure that you've already bought QuickBooks, and you will just have to fill out all these stuffs. So your country, your product, and the version that you want to purchase, basically. And yeah, and after all that, what you will have to do is you may be prompted to enter your email, password, and your company details. And then you will just have to basically click create account again. And then again, you will just have to follow the setup wizard, choose industry, company type, and chart of accounts. And by the way, it's optional, but you could also link bank accounts and credit cards if you are prompted to do so. And by the way, you can use QuickBooks tutorials inside the app to complete the setup efficiently. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.